Imagine April 13th, 2029. Across darkened cities, millions of people step out into the cold air, phones in hand, eyes fixed on the night sky. They are watching a massive space rock moving across the stars, visible to the naked eye. Measuring over 1,200 feet across, it is roughly the size of the Eiffel Tower, large enough to dominate a city skyline. Astronomers call it Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian symbol of chaos and destruction. This is a dense, physical object cutting through the vacuum directly above the atmosphere. Its arrival serves as a tangible reminder of Earth's position inside a crowded, active cosmic shooting gallery. The timeline of this encounter begins in 2004. During routine sweeps of the night sky, astronomers flagged a fast-moving anomaly. At first, it registered as a standard catalog entry. Then, the trajectory calculations arrived. The data revealed a low but mathematically significant probability that this object was on a direct collision course with Earth. As the math circulated, news of the potential strike triggered global concern. Governments and space agencies scrambled to analyze the threat. They were tracking a solid mass of rock and metal 370 meters wide. With the discovery of Apophis, the threat of an asteroid strike moved from the realm of science fiction into a concrete mathematical probability with a specific calendar date, which brings us back to the stakes of April 13, 2029. The geometry of this flyby is entirely unusual. This map shows standard asteroid orbits passing at distances of millions of kilometers, while the trajectory of Apophis cuts sharply toward Earth. As it approaches, it breaches the ring of human infrastructure, flying closer to the surface than the communication satellites currently orbiting our planet. If the orbital math shifted by even a fraction of a degree, that trajectory would intersect the upper atmosphere. An object this dense, moving at such velocity, would release kinetic energy equal to hundreds of nuclear weapons upon impact. The resulting collision would flatten cities, sending immense shockwaves across vast distances and causing complete regional devastation. That razor-thin margin in space, the few thousand miles separating a spectacular light show from global tragedy, is what makes this encounter so significant. Fortunately, decades of rigorous observation have refined those early models. Modern calculations confirm that Apophis will safely bypass Earth in 2029. By tracking thousands of these near-Earth objects every day, astronomers maintain an active early warning system, buying us the one resource we need most: time. And we are learning how to use that time. As recent missions have demonstrated, we now possess the technology to deliberately collide with an asteroid and alter its trajectory. Deflecting a massive rock is incredibly complex and requires years of lead time, but it means humans finally have a mechanism to respond to a potential cosmic strike. When Apophis arrives, it will arrive peacefully, an ancient, silent relic from the birth of the solar system, drifting past our world. As it crosses the sky, terrestrial concerns like borders, politics, and money fade. Millions of people will share the exact same experience, looking upward in collective wonder. Apophis is a rare opportunity to witness a fundamental astronomical event with the naked eye. If you had the chance to watch a giant asteroid skim past Earth, would you step outside to see it? Comment yes or no below. And to explore more cosmic mysteries, subscribe to Geogyan Education.